Anatomy and Physiology, the Digestive System and Nutrition, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers, by Rumi Michael Lee. Introduction. I would like to thank and congratulate you for listening to this book, Anatomy and Physiology, the Digestive System and Nutrition, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers. This book will help you understand, revise and have a good general knowledge and keywords of the human digestive system and nutrition. Part 1. 1. What is laparotomy? Laparotomy is the opening of the abdomen by surgery. 2. What is mechanical propulsion? Mechanical propulsion is swallowing and peristalsis. 3. What is mechanical digestion? Mechanical digestion is the chewing of food with the help of the tongue and saliva, grinding with the teeth, kneading by the stomach and segmentation by the small intestine. 4. What is ghrelin? Ghrelin is a hormone that makes you crave for appetite. 5. What is the hormone that stimulates ghrelin? The hypothalamus. 6. What are micelles? Micelles are small droplets of fat. 7. What is the enterohepatic cycle? The enterohepatic cycle is the reabsorption of bile acids into the blood through the small intestine, and then these bile acids return through the portal vein to the liver, and then re-secreted into the bile ducts by the hepatocytes. 8. What is pancreatitis? Pancreatitis is the chemical burn of the pancreas. 9. What is the function of Acinetobacter cells? The secretion of pancreatic enzymes in an inactive form. 10. What is the function of trypsin? Trypsin consists of peptidases that help digest proteins. Part 2. 1. What are lobules? Lobules are the functional units of the liver. 2. Do sinusoids increase blood flow? No, sinusoids do not increase blood flow. Sinusoids slow down blood flow. 3. What is the function of Kupffer cells? Kupffer cells rid the blood of bacteria. 4. What is hepatomegaly? Hepatomegaly is an increase in the size of the liver. 5. What is the function of albumin? Albumin holds the fluids in the blood. 6. Explain type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is when the body and the cells can no longer produce insulin. 7. In which type of people is type 1 diabetes common? In children. 8. Explain type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is when the body becomes insensitive to insulin even when there is insulin production. 9. Type 2 diabetes is often related to obesity. 10. What is glycogenesis? Glycogenesis is the formation of glycogen from glucose. 11. What is glycogenolysis? Glycogenolysis is the degradation of glycogen to release glucose in the blood. Part 3. 1. What is the function of the mesentery? The mesentery allows the passage of blood vessels, nerves and lymphatic vessels. 2. What is the function of the peritoneum? The peritoneum keeps the organs in place in the abdominal cavity and protects them. 3. What is urobilinogen? Urobilinogen gives the yellow color of the urine. 4. What gives the brown color of feces? Stercobilinogen. 5. What is jaundice? Jaundice is the yellow coloring of the skin. 6. Name a delta cell of the intestine. Somatostatin. 7. What is free bilirubin? Free bilirubin is the yellow pigment of toxic urine. 8. What is conjugated bilirubin? Conjugated bilirubin is the yellow pigment of non-toxic urine. 9. What is food thermogenesis? Food thermogenesis is the energy used for digestion. 10. What is xerostomia? Xerostomia means dry mouth. 11. What is pyrosis? Pyrosis means heartburn. Part 4. 1. What is gastritis? Gastritis is the inflammation of the stomach wall. 2. What is the function of the intrinsic factor? The intrinsic factor allows the absorption of vitamin B12. 3. What is hemerolopia? Hemerolopia is night blindness. 4. What is the cause of hemerolopia? Hemerolopia can be caused by vitamin A deficiency. 5. Which is the smallest part of the small intestine? The duodenum. 6. Which is the largest part of the small intestine? The ileum. 7. What joins the caecum to the ileocecal junction? The ileum. 8. Name the main parts of the stomach. The cardia, the antrum, the fundus, the body, and the pyloric canal. 9. What is attached to the caecum? The appendix. 10. What is the function of the portal vein? The portal vein feeds the liver. 11. Propulsion is active in which part of the digestive tract? Propulsion is active all along the digestive tract. Part 5. 1. Peristalsis is produced by what kind of muscle? Peristalsis is produced by smooth muscles. 2. Segmentation mixes food by what movement? By rhythmic contractions. 3. Is defecation a voluntary reflex? One part is voluntary and the other is involuntary. 4. The anus has how many sphincters? The anus has 2 sphincters. 5. What are the 2 sphincters of the anus? The internal sphincter, this is the involuntary part, and the external sphincter, this is the voluntary part. 6. Name the 4 muscle layers of the digestive tract. The mucosa, the submucosa, the muscular, and the serosa. 7. What is the function of the 4 muscle layers of the digestive tract? The mucosa, secretion of mucus, hormones, and digestive enzymes. The submucosa, it is very vascularized and it nourishes the tissues. The muscularis, it is a thick layer that is used for the movements of contraction, segmentation, peristalsis, and brewing. The serosa, protection and coating. Part 6. 1. Is the esophagus part of the abdominal cavity? Yes, the esophagus is part of the abdominal cavity. 2. What is the hole in the diaphragm made by the esophagus? The esophageal hiatus. 3. Does the appendix have 4 muscle layers like the other muscles of the digestive tract? Yes, the appendix has 4 muscle layers like the other muscles of the digestive tract. 4. The stomach has how many edges? The stomach has 2 edges. 5. Name the 2 edges of the stomach. The lesser curvature and the greater curvature. 6. Why is vitamin B12 so important? Vitamin B12 is essential for the formation of red blood cells. 7. What transforms pepsinogen into its active form? Hydrogen chloride transforms pepsinogen into its active form. 8. What is the active form of pepsinogen? The active form of pepsinogen is pepsin. 9. Is lipase produced in the stomach? Yes, in small quantities. 10. What do the G cells secrete? G cells secrete gastrin. 11. What are the stimulations of gastrin? Mechanical, nervous, and chemical stimuli. Part 7. 1. Is the colon indispensable for a human? No, the colon is not indispensable for a human. You can remove some or the entire colon. 2. Do people that are fed through their veins have feces? Yes, through epithelial cells. 3. What are the roles of the bacterial flora? The roles of the bacterial flora are fermentation, putrefaction, feces, odor, flatulence, and synthesis of vitamins B and K. 4. Name a hormone that intervenes in the gallbladder. Cholecystokinin, CCK. 5. What are the compositions of bile? The compositions of bile are water, cholesterol, phospholipids, electrolytes, bile acids, etc. 6. What is the pH of bile? The pH of bile is from 7 to 8. 7. What is the gall secretion per day? The gall secretion per day is from 600 milliliters to 800 milliliters. 8. What can replace the gallbladder after surgery? The bile duct can replace the gallbladder after surgery. 9. What is the biliary pigment? The biliary pigment is bilirubin. 10. How is bilirubin formed? Bilirubin is formed by the destruction of hemoglobin. Part 8. 1. How is bilirubin removed from the liver? Bilirubin must be conjugated to be removed from the liver. 2. Is the unconjugated bilirubin water-soluble or fat-soluble? Unconjugated bilirubin is fat-soluble. 3. What makes bile acids? The liver and the intestinal bacteria. 4. What forms gallstones? Gallstones are formed by the crystallization of cholesterol. 5. What is the capacity of the gallbladder? The capacity of the gallbladder is 50 milliliters. 6. What are the consequences of the absence of bile? The consequences of the absence of bile is jaundice, hemorrhage, and the inability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. 7. Why are gallstones dangerous? Gallstones are dangerous because they move. 8. Can we live without a gallbladder? Yes, we can live without a gallbladder. 9. Can we live without the pancreas? No, we cannot live without the pancreas. 10. And if no, why? One cannot live without a pancreas because of its endocrine and exocrine functions. 11. Where do pancreatic enzymes become active? Pancreatic enzymes become active in the duodenum. Part 9. 1. People with pancreatitis should follow what kind of diet? A non-alcoholic diet. 2. Why is pancreatic enzymes inactivated before entering the duodenum? Pancreatic enzymes are inactivated so as not to destroy the pancreas. 3. What is the only organ able to regenerate? The liver. 4. How many % of the liver can be removed? 70% can be removed. 5. How many segments of the liver can be removed? 3 segments of the liver can be removed. 6. What slows blood circulation? Sinusoids. 7. Name 2 blood entries that bring blood to the liver. The portal vein and the hepatic artery. 8. Give examples of cellulose. Examples of cellulose are bread, rice, cereals, etc. 9. Which vitamin is good for learning? Vitamin B12 is good for learning. 10. In fruits or vegetables, for example, what can destroy vitamin C? Heat. Part 10. 1. Where is the sphincter of the esophagus? The sphincter of the esophagus is at the beginning of the stomach, the cardia. 2. What is the first segment of the small intestine? The duodenum. 3. What are the small folds of the small intestine? The villi. 4. What is hyperglycemia? Hyperglycemia is when the blood sugar level is high. 5. What is hypoglycemia? Hypoglycemia is when the blood sugar level is low. 6. What does the body secrete when there is too much sugar in the blood? Insulin. 7. What does the body secrete when there is insufficient sugar in the blood? Glucagon. 8. What produces hydrochloric acid? The gastric glands. 9. Is swallowing a voluntary or involuntary reflex? Swallowing is partly voluntary and involuntary. 10. Is the digestive tract inside or outside the body? The digestive tract is outside the body. 11. What stimulates pancreatic secretions? Cholecystokinin, secretin, and the vagus nerve. Part 11. 1. What is the function of villi? Villi absorb the digested nutrients. 2. What produces pepsinogens? The gastric glands produce pepsinogens. 3. Why is the digestive tract considered to be outside the body? The digestive tract is considered to be outside the body because the digestive tract does not enter the bloodstream. Blood circulation is considered inside the body. 4. What happens to non-digested foods in the small intestine? Non-digested foods in the small intestine pass through the ileocecal valve and enter the large intestine. 5. What happens to foods digested in the small intestine? Foods digested in the small intestine become nutrients, and these nutrients enter the bloodstream, which are then transported in all tissues and cells of the body. 6. What is the function of amylase? Amylase degrades complex sugars into starch. 7. Name the 9 abdominal quadrants. The umbilical region, the right hypochondrium, the right flank, the right iliac fossa, the left iliac fossa, the left flank, the epigastric region, the hypogastric region, and the left hypochondrium. 8. What is the function of goblet cells? The lubrication of the digestive system. 9. What is defecation? Defecation is the removal by the anus, substances undigested or absorbed in the form of feces. 10. Where does protein digestion take place? Protein digestion takes place in the stomach. 11. What is chemical digestion? Chemical digestion is the degradation of foods, large molecules, by enzymes. Part 12. 1. Define swallowing. Swallowing is the passage of food from the mouth to the stomach. 2. Is swallowing a voluntary process? Swallowing has a voluntary part and an involuntary part. 3. Is peristalsis a voluntary process? No, peristalsis is not a voluntary process. It is an involuntary process. 4. What are the main stages of the digestive system? The main stages of the digestive system are ingestion, propulsion, mechanical digestion, chemical digestion, absorption, and defecation. 5. What are the organs of the digestive system? The organs of the digestive system are the mouth, the pharynx, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. 6. What are the accessory organs of the digestive system? The teeth, the tongue, the salivary glands, the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. 7. What is the function of the digestive glands? The production of digestive enzymes for food degradation. 8. Name 3 parts of the small intestine. The duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. 9. Name the parts of the large intestine. The caecum, the ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, the sigmoid, the rectum, and the anus. 10. What is dysphagia? Dysphagia is difficulty or pain in swallowing. 11. What is peristalsis? Peristalsis is the contraction and relaxation of involuntary successive waves. Part 13. 1. How many % of cardiac output do the digestive tract and its associated organs have? From 25 to 30%. 2. What is the length of the esophagus? The length of the esophagus is from 23 to 25 centimeters. 3. What is the length of the stomach? The length of the stomach is about 25 centimeters. 4. What is the width of the stomach? The width of the stomach is approximately 12 centimeters. 5. What is the thickness of the stomach? The thickness of the stomach is about 8 centimeters. 6. What are the 3 muscle layers of the stomach? The longitudinal, circular, and internal muscular layer. 7. What stimulates the pancreas to secrete bicarbonate? Secretin. 8. What produces cholecystokinin? The duodenal mucosa. 9. What ends the digestion of peptides? Peptidases. 10. What ends the digestion of disaccharides? Disaccharidases. Part 14. 1. What is steatorrhea? Steatorrhea consists of fatty diarrhea. 2. What is emulsion? Emulsion is the dispersion of lipids in water. 3. What is the function of bile acids? The digestion of cholesterol, lipids, elimination of stool, and absorption of liposoluble vitamins. 4. What are the cells that make up the bile? Hepatocytes. 5. What is the length of the gallbladder? The length of the gallbladder is 10 centimeters. 6. What is the function of the anus? The evacuation of feces. 7. What is the function of the rectum? The rectum is a shock absorber. 8. What is the function of the sigmoid? The sigmoid is a propeller. 9. What is the transit time of bowel movements? The transit time of bowel movements is from 24 to 48 h. 10. Which part of the small intestine recovers the bile salts? The ileum. 11. What is the only digestive function of the liver? The production of bile. Part 15. 1. The liver has how many main lobes? The liver has 2 main lobes. 2. What separates the lobes of the liver? The falciform ligament. 3. Each of the lobes is divided into lobules. 4. Blood flows through the hepatocytes from the portal spaces to the centrilobular veins. 5. What is the common hepatic duct? The common hepatic duct consists of the right and left liver ducts. 6. What is the body's largest gland? The liver. 7. Where is the bile secreted? In the common hepatic duct. 8. What is the only organ that allows the removal of cholesterol? The liver. 9. The liver exports lipids in what form to adipose tissues? In the form of triglycerides. 10. Which organ synthesizes lipoproteins? The liver. Part 16. 1. Name the fat-soluble vitamins. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamins A, D, E, and K. 2. Name the water-soluble vitamins. The water-soluble vitamins are the B vitamins and vitamin C. 3. Name some blood proteins. Albumin, enzymes, hormones, immunoglobulin, etc. 4. Clotting factors require the presence of which vitamin? Vitamin K. 5. What is cirrhosis of the liver? Cirrhosis of the liver is the destruction of hepatic cells, characterized by scarring that can impede the blood circulation of the liver. 6. What are the macronutrients? The macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. 7. What are the micronutrients? The micronutrients are vitamins, minerals, and trace elements. 8. What is a nutrient? A nutrient is the part of food useful to the body and absorbed by the body. 9. What is metabolism? Metabolism is any chemical and physiological reaction of the body. 10. What is basal metabolism? Basal metabolism is the energy used when the body is at rest. 11. Basal metabolism depends on gender, age, lifestyle, stress, lean body mass, and thyroid hormones. Part 17. 1. The basal metabolism is how many % of the energy expenditure? From 60 to 70%. 2. Thermogenesis is how many % of the energy expenditure? About 10%. 3. How many % does the physical activity of energy expenditure represent? From 20 to 30%. 4. What is BMI? BMI is the body mass index. 5. What is the function of the BMI? BMI determines the corpulence of someone. 6. Why are carbohydrates considered the main source of energy of the body? Carbohydrates are considered the main source of energy of the body because they can quickly be used by the body when needed. 7. 1 gram of carbohydrate represents how many calories? 1 gram of carbohydrate equals 4 kilocalories per gram. 8. 1 gram of protein represents how many calories? 1 gram of protein equals 4 kilocalories per gram. 9. What is the function of a dietary fiber? Dietary fiber facilitates the intestinal transit. 10. What are the functions of lipids? Thermoregulation, thermal insulation, synthesis of steroid hormones, energy reserves, and they are part of the plasma membrane, etc. 11. What are the functions of proteins? Tissue repair, growth, and the synthesis and metabolism of enzymes. Part 18. 1. What is the energy value of vitamins? There is no energy value of vitamins. 2. Name a vitamin that plays an essential role in the production of DNA and RNA. Vitamin B9. 3. What is the role of vitamin C? Vitamin C is an antioxidant. 4. What is hemerolopia? Hemerolopia is night blindness. 5. What is the role of vitamin D? Synthesis, absorption, and metabolism of calcium. 6. What is the role of vitamin E? Vitamin E is an antioxidant and a fertility vitamin. 7. What are the functions of minerals? Tissue growth and maintenance of ions. 8. What are the symptoms of chlorine deficiency? Vomiting, diarrhea, etc. 9. What are the symptoms of zinc deficiency? Learning difficulties, loss of taste, etc. 10. Give another name for the digestive tract. The alimentary canal. 11. What is absorption? Absorption is the passage of nutrients into the blood. Part 19. 1. What are some symptoms of vitamin B9 deficiency? Headaches, heart palpitations, etc. 2. What is the role of vitamin A? Vitamin A allows good vision. 3. What are the symptoms of fluoride deficiency? Dental caries. 4. What are the symptoms of iodine deficiency? Iodine deficiency can cause cretinism. 5. What are the symptoms of potassium deficiency? Heart failure, tachycardia, hyperkalemia, paralysis, etc. 6. What are defensins? Defensins are antimicrobial peptides. 7. What is ankylosing? Ankylosing is an anomaly that limits the mobility of the tongue. It is also known as tongue tie. 8. How are teeth classified? Teeth are classified by their forms and functions. 9. What is the function of the incisor teeth? The incisor teeth mainly serve to cut food. 10. What is the function of the premolar and molar teeth? The premolar and molar teeth are used to grind and crush food. 11. What is dental plaque? Dental plaque is mainly films of bacteria, sugar and other substances that stick to the teeth. Part 20. 1. What is mumps? Mumps is the inflammation of the parotid glands. 2. What is the pH of saliva? The pH of saliva is from 6.75 to 7. 3. What are the two types of teeth? Primary teeth and permanent teeth. 4. Name the classes of teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. 5. What is the function of the canine teeth? The canine teeth serve to tear food. 6. What are dental caries? Dental caries are rots of the teeth. 7. What is the cause of dental caries? Dental caries are caused by the demineralization of the enamel. 8. What does dental tartar mean? Dental tartar is when the dental plaque calcifies. 9. What is gingivitis? Gingivitis is the inflammation of the gums. 10. What is periodontitis? Periodontitis is a serious case of gingivitis. It is an infection of the tissues that surround the teeth. 11. What protects the stomach from self-digestion? The mucus the stomach secretes protects the stomach from self-digestion. Part 21. 1. What organ of the digestive system absorbs the most electrolytes? The large intestine. 2. When do we begin to lose the primary teeth? At the age of 6. 3. What is proctology? Proctology is the study and treatment of diseases of the rectum, anus and colon. 4. What is bruxism? Bruxism is the study and treatment of diseases of the rectum, anus and colon. 5. What is muget? Muget is an infection of the lining of the mouth. 6. What is bulimia? Bulimia is a disease characterized by ingestion of large amount of food causing vomiting. 7. What is ileus? Ileus is the paralysis of the digestive tract. 8. Does the esophagus pass through a muscle? Yes, the esophagus passes through a muscle. 9. If yes, which one? The diaphragm. 10. Is the tongue a muscle? Yes, the tongue is a muscle. Part 22. 1. The digestive tract has how many smooth muscles? The digestive tract has 2 smooth muscles. 2. In relation to the first question, is there an exception? Yes. 3. Concerning the second question, which and how many smooth muscles are there? The stomach, it has 3 smooth muscles. 4. What vascularizes the gallbladder? The cystic artery. 5. What is the role of the gallbladder? The gallbladder stores the secretion of the liver. 6. What is ptyalin? Ptyalin is a salivary amylase. 7. What is the nerve that innervates the liver? None. 8. Name the 2 sphincters of the stomach. The cardia and pylorus. 9. What are the functions of vitamins? Vitamins are coenzymes. 10. What are fast sugars? Fast sugars are sugars that can be easily assimilated by the body. Part 23. 1. What is the length of the pharynx? The length of the pharynx is about 13 centimeters. 2. What is the length of the esophagus? The length of the esophagus is about 25 centimeters. 3. Is there digestion or absorption in the esophagus? No, there is no digestion or absorption in the esophagus. 4. What is the pH of the stomach? The pH of the stomach is from 1 to 3. 5. Is there absorption in the stomach? Normally, there is no absorption in the stomach, but a certain amount of water, certain drugs such as aspirin, electrolytes and alcohol. 6. What is the pH of the pancreatic juice? The pH of the pancreatic juice is about 8. 7. Where is the final stage of digestion? The large intestine. 8. What is the energy source of the liver? The energy source of the liver is lipids. 9. Name the 3 processes to maintain blood glucose. Glycogenesis, glycogenolysis, and gluconeogenesis. 10. What are lipoproteins? Lipoproteins are lipid transport proteins. Part 24. 1. Can lipids circulate freely in the blood? If not, why? No, lipids cannot circulate freely in the blood. This is because lipids are not water-soluble. 2. What is LDL? LDL are low-density lipoproteins that transport lipids towards other cells of the organism. LDL are bad cholesterol. 3. What is HDL? HDL are high-density lipoproteins that transport lipids out of the cells into the liver, to be eliminated into the bile. HDL are good cholesterol. 4. Is the digestive system towards the interior or exterior? The digestive system is towards the exterior. Conclusion. Thank you once again for listening to this book. I hope it has helped you in your journey to understanding the digestive system and nutrition of the human body.